So today is April 11th, and today, Carol, it's your birthday. So the candles are melting. So we wanted to tell you happy birthday. We're all here. These are the April birthdays, and this is you.
Oh my god!
And this Yoni behind there. And we're all here today to say happy birthday to you. So,
Happy
Carol. Hi,
birthday.
Carol. Yay. All right, so everybody, let's sing. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.